Welcome to RS911. This is a 1969 911E right-hand drive. We believe to be the first one into the UK, and we've done quite a bit of work on this car, as you can see already. It's on a spit at the moment. All the suspension has all been redone now, powder coated. All the bushes are done. So it's ready now to turn it over, get back on its wheels, start getting the bodywork done. Well, getting the bodywork finished off, almost there. So thank you for watching RS911. Keep an eye on our website and more updates on there. www.rs911.com